Hello friends, today I am going to share with you the index of the भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023। जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहली वीडियो में भी बताया है अपनी कि इस इंडेक्स को आप थोड़ा थोड़ा पार्ट्स में सुने। फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट 50 सेक्शंस को पहले सुन लें। जब आप फर्स्ट 50 सेक्शन से फेमिलियर हो जाएंगे तो आप उसमें और सेक्शंस को ऐड करते चले। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द इंडेक्स। चैप्टर 1 प्रिलिमिनरी, सेक्शन 1 शॉर्ट टाइटल, कमेंसमेंट एंड एप्लीकेशन। 2 definitions, 3 general explanations, chapter 2 of punishments, 4 punishments, 5 commutation of sentence, 6 fractions of terms of punishment, 7 sentence may be in certain cases of imprisonment wholly or partly rigorous or simple, 8 amount of fine, liability in default of payment of fine, etc. 9 limit of punishment of offence made up of several offences, 10 punishment of person guilty of one of several offences, judgment stating that it is doubtful of which, 11 solitary confinement, 12 limit of solitary confinement, 13 enhanced punishment for certain offences after previous conviction. Chapter 3 General Exceptions. Section 14 Act done by a person bound or by mistake of fact believing himself bound by law. Section 15 Act of judge when acting judicially. 16 Act done pursuant to judgment or order of court. 17 Act done by a person justified or by mistake of fact believing himself justified by law. 18 Accident in doing a lawful act. 19 Act likely to cause harm but done without criminal intent and to prevent other harm. 20 Act of a child under 7 years of age. 21 Act of a child above 7 and under 12 years of age of immature understanding. 22 Act of a person of unsound mind. 23 Act of a person incapable of judgment by reason of intoxication caused against his will. 24 Offence requiring a particular intent or knowledge committed by one who is intoxicated. 25 Act not intended and not known to be likely to cause death or grievous hurt done by consent. 26 Act not intended to cause death done by consent in good faith for person's benefit. 27 Act done in good faith for benefit of a child or person of unsound mind by or by the consent of a guardian. 28 Consent known to be given under fear or misconception. 29 Exclusion of acts which are offences independently of harm caused. 30 Act done in good faith for benefit of a person without consent. 31 Communication made in good faith. 32 Act to which a person is compelled by threats. 33 Act causing slight harm. 34 Things done in private defense. 35 Right of private defense of body and of property. 36 Right of private defense against act of a person of unsound mind, etc. 37 Acts against which there is no right of private defense. 38 When right of private defense of body extends to causing death. 39 When such right extends to causing any harm other than death. 40 Commencement and continuance of right of private defense of body. 41 When right of private defense of property extends to causing death. 42 When such right extends to causing any harm other than death. 43 Commencement and continuance of right of private defense of property. 44 Right of private defense against deadly assault when there is risk of harm to innocent person. Chapter 4 of abetment, criminal conspiracy and attempt. 45 Abetment of a thing. 46 Abetter. 47 Abetment in India of offences outside India. 48 Abetment outside India for offence in India. 49 Punishment of abetment if act abetted is committed in consequence and where no express provisions is made for its punishment. 50 Punishment of abetment if person abetted does act with different intention from that of abetter. 52 Abetter when liable to cumulative punishment for act abetted. 53 Liability of abetter for an effect caused by act abetted different from that intended by abetter. 54 Abetter present when offence is committed. 55 Abetment of offence punishable with death or imprisonment for life. 56 Abetment of offence punishable with imprisonment. 57 Abetting commission of offence by public or by more than 10 persons. 58 Concealing design to commit offence punishable with death or imprisonment for life. 59 Public servant concealing designed to commit offense which is his duty to prevent. 60. Concealing designed to commit offense punishable with imprisonment. 61. Criminal conspiracy. 62. Punishment for attempting to commit offenses punishable with imprisonment for life or other imprisonment. Chapter 5 of Offenses against Women and Child. 63. Rape. 64. Punishment for rape. 65. Punishment for rape in certain cases. 66. Punishment for causing death or resulting in persistent vegetative state of victim. 67. Sexual intercourse by husband upon his wife during separation. 68. Sexual intercourse by a person in authority. 69. Sexual intercourse by employing deceitful means. 70. Gang rape. 71. Punishment for repeat offenders. 72. Disclosure of identity of victim of certain offences, etc. 73. Printing or publishing any matter relating to court proceedings without permission. 74. Assault or use of criminal force to women with intent to outrage her modesty. 75. Sexual harassment. 76. Assault or use of criminal force to women with intent to disrobe. 77. Voyeurism. 78. Stalking. 79. Word, gesture or act intended to insult modesty of a woman. 80. Dowry death. 81. Cohabitation caused by man deceitfully inducing belief of lawful marriage. 82. Marrying again during the lifetime of husband or wife. 83. Marriage ceremony fraudulently gone through without lawful marriage. 84. Enticing or taking away or detaining with criminal intent a married woman. 85. Husband or relative of husband of a woman subjecting her to cruelty. 86. Cruelty defined. 87. Kidnapping, abducting or inducing women to compel her marriage, etc. 88. Causing miscarriage. 89. Causing miscarriage without women's consent. 90. Death caused by act done with intent to cause miscarriage. 91. Act done with intent to prevent child being born alive or to cause to die after birth. 92. Causing death of quick unborn child by act amounting to culpable homicide. 93. Exposure and abandonment of child under 12 years of age by parent or person having care of it. 94. Concealment of birth by secret disposal of dead body. 95. Hiring, employing or engaging a child to commit an offence. 96. Procuration of child. 97. Kidnapping or abducting child under 10 years of age with intent to steal from its person. 98. Selling child for the purposes of prostitution, etc. 99. Buying child for the purposes of prostitution, etc. Chapter 6 of Offences affecting the human body. 100. Culpable homicide. 101. Murder. 102. Culpable homicide by causing death of a person other than person whose death was intended. 103. Punishment for murder. 104. Punishment for murder by life convict. 105. Punishment for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. 106. Causing death by negligence. 107. Abatement of suicide of child or person of unsound mind. 108. Abatement of suicide. 109. Attempt to murder. 110. Attempt to commit culpable homicide. 111. Organized crime. 112. Petty organized crime. 113. Terrorist act. 114. Hurt. 115. Voluntarily causing hurt. 116. Grievous hurt. 117. Voluntarily causing grievous hurt. 118. Voluntarily causing hurt or grievous hurt by dangerous weapons or means. 119. Voluntarily causing hurt or grievous hurt to extort property or to constrain to an illegal act. 120. Voluntarily causing hurt or grievous hurt to extort confession or to compel restoration of property. 121. Voluntarily causing hurt or grievous hurt to deter public servant from his duty. 122. Voluntarily causing hurt or grievous hurt on provocation. 123. Causing hurt by means of poison, etc. with intent to commit an offence. 124. Voluntarily causing grievous hurt by use of acid. 125. Act endangering life or personal safety of others. 126. Wrongful restraint. 127. Wrongful confinement. 128. Force. 129. Criminal force. 130. Assault. 131. Punishment for assault or criminal force otherwise than on grave provocation. 132. Assault or criminal force to deter public servant from discharge of his duty. 133. Assault or criminal force with intent to dishonor person otherwise than on grave provocation. 134. Assault or criminal force in attempt to commit theft of property carried by a person. 135. Assault or criminal force in attempt to wrongfully confine a person. 136. Assault or criminal force on grave provocation. 137. Kidnapping. 138. Abduction. 139. Kidnapping or maiming a child for the purposes of begging. 140. Kidnapping or abducting in order to murder or for ransom, etc. 141. Importation of girl or boy from foreign country. 142. Wrongfully concealing or keeping in confinement kidnapped or abducted person. 143. Trafficking of person. 144. Exploitation of a trafficked person. 145. Habitual dealing in slaves. 146. Unlawful compulsory labor. Chapter 7 of offences against the state. 147. Waging or attempting to wage war or abetting waging of war against Government of India. 148. Conspiracy to commit offences punishable by section 147. 149. Collecting arms, etc. with intention of waging war against Government of India. 150. Concealing with intent to facilitate design to wage war. 151. Assaulting president, governor, etc. with intent to compel or restrain exercise of any lawful power. 152. Act endangering sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. 153. Waging war against government of any foreign state at peace with Government of India. 154. Committing depredation on territories of foreign state at peace with Government of India. 155. Receiving property taken by war or depredation mentioned in sections 153 and 154. 156. Public servant voluntarily allowing prisoner of state or war to escape. 157. Public servant negligently suffering such prisoner to escape. 158. Aiding escape of rescuing or harboring such prisoner. Chapter 8 of offences relating to the Army, Navy and Air Force. Section 159. Abetting mutiny or attempting to seduce a soldier, sailor or airman from his duty. 160. Abetment of mutiny if mutiny is committed in consequence thereof. 161. Abetment of assault by soldier, sailor or airman on his superior officer when in execution of his office. 162. Abetment of such assault if assault committed. 163. Abetment of desertion of soldier, sailor or airman. 164. Harboring deserter. 165. Deserter concealed on board merchant vessel through negligence of master. 166. Abetment of act of insubordination by soldier, sailor or airman. 167. Person subject to certain acts. 168. Wearing garb or carrying token used by soldier, sailor or airman. Chapter 9 of offences relating to elections. 169. Candidate electoral right defined. 170. Bribery. 171. Undue influence at elections. 172. Personation at elections. 173. Punishment for bribery. 174. Punishment for undue influence or personation at an election. 175. False statement in connection with an election. 176. Illegal payments in connection with an election. 177. Failure to keep election accounts. Chapter 10 of offences relating to coin, currency notes, bank notes and government stamps. 178. Counterfeiting coin, government stamps, currency notes or bank notes. 179. Using as genuine forged or counterfeit coin, government stamp, currency notes or bank notes. 180. Possession of forged or counterfeit coin, government stamp, currency notes or banknotes. 181. Making or possessing instruments or materials for forging or counterfeiting coin, government stamp, currency notes or banknotes. 182. Making or using documents resembling currency notes or banknotes. 183. Effacing writing from substance bearing government stamp or removing from document a stamp used for it with intent to cause loss to government. 184. Using government stamp known to have been before used. 185. Erasure of mark denoting that stamp has been used. 186. Prohibition of fictitious stamps. 187. Person employed in mint causing coin to be of different weight or composition from that fixed by law. 188. Unlawfully taking coining instrument from mint. Chapter 11 of offences against the public tranquility. 189 unlawful assembly. 190 every member of unlawful assembly guilty of offence committed in prosecution of common object. 191 writing. 192 wantonly giving provocation with intent to cause riot if writing be committed, if not committed. 193 liability of owner, occupier, etc. of land on which an unlawful assembly or riot takes place. 194 affray. 195 assaulting or obstructing public servant when suppressing riot, etc. 196 promoting enmity between different groups on grounds of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language, etc. and doing acts prejudicial to maintenance of harmony. 197 imputations, assertions prejudicial to national integration. Chapter 12 of offences by or relating to public servants. 198 public servant disobeying law with intent to cause injury to any person. 199 public servant disobeying direction under law. 200 punishment for non-treatment of victim. 201 public servant framing an incorrect document with intent to cause injury. 202 public servant unlawfully engaging in trade. 203 public servant unlawfully buying or bidding for property. 204 personating a public servant. 205 wearing garb or carrying token used by public servant with fraudulent intent. Chapter 8 of contempts of the lawful authority of public servants. 206 absconding to avoid service of summons or other proceedings. 207 preventing service of summons or other proceedings or preventing publication thereof. 208 non-attendance in obedience to an order from public servant. 209 non-appearance in response to a proclamation under section 84 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. 210 omission to produce document or electronic record to public servant by person legally bound to produce it. 211 omission to give notice or information to public servant by person legally bound to give it. 212 furnishing false information. 213 refusing oath or affirmation when duly required by public servant to make it. 214 refusing to answer public servant authorized to question. 215 refusing to sign statement. 216 false statement on oath or affirmation to public servant or person authorized to administer an oath or affirmation. 217 false information with intent to cause public servant to use his lawful power to injury of another person. 218 resistance to taking of property by lawful authority of a public servant. 219 obstructing sale of property offered for sale by authority of public servant. 220 illegal purchase or bid for property offered for sale by authority of public servant. 221 obstructing public servant in discharge of public functions. 222 omission to assist public servant when bound by law to give assistance. 223 disobedience to order duly promulgated by public servant. 224 threat of injury to public servant. 225 threat of injury to induce person to refrain from applying for protection to public servant. 226 attempt to commit suicide to compel or restrain exercise of lawful power. Chapter 14 of false evidence and offences against public justice. 227 giving false evidence. 228 fabricating false evidence. 229 punishment for false evidence. 230 giving or fabricating false evidence with intent to procure conviction of capital offence. 231 giving or fabricating false evidence with intent to procure conviction of offence punishable with imprisonment for life or imprisonment. 232 threatening any person to give false evidence. 233 using evidence known to be false. 234 issuing or signing false certificate. 235 using as true a certificate known to be false. 236 false statement made in declaration which is by law receivable as evidence. 237 using as true such declaration knowing it to be false. 238 causing disappearance of evidence of offence or giving false information to screen offender. 239. Intentional omission to give information of offence by person bound to inform. 240. Giving false information respecting an offence committed. 241. Destruction of document or electronic record to prevent its production as evidence. 242. False personation for purpose of act or proceeding in suit or prosecution. 243. Fraudulent removal or concealment of property to prevent its seizure as forfeited or in execution. 244. Fraudulent claim to property to prevent its seizure as forfeited or in execution. 245. Fraudulent suffering decree for sum not due. 246. Dishonestly making false claims in court. 247. Fraudulently obtaining decree for sum not due. 248. False charge of offence made with intent to injure. 249. Harboring offender. 250. Taking gift etc. to screen an offender from punishment. 251. Offering gift or restoration of property in consideration of screening offender. 252. Taking gift to help to recover stolen property etc. 253. Harboring offender who has escaped from custody or whose apprehension has been ordered. 254. Penalty for harboring robbers or dacoits. 255. Public servant disobeying direction of law with intent to save person from punishment or property from forfeiture. 256. Public servant framing incorrect record or writing with intent to save person from punishment or property from forfeiture. 257. Public servant in judicial proceedings corruptly making report etc. contrary to law. 258. Commitment for trial or confinement by person having authority who knows that he is acting contrary to law. 259. Intentional omission to apprehend on a part of public servant bound to apprehend. 260. Intentional omission to apprehend on part of public servant bound to apprehend person under sentence or lawfully committed. 261. Escape from confinement or custody negligently suffered by public servant. 262. Resistance or obstruction by a person to his lawful apprehension. 263. Resistance or obstruction to lawful apprehension of another person. 264. Omission to apprehend or sufferance of escape on part of public servant in cases not otherwise provided for. 265. Resistance or obstruction to lawful apprehension or escape or rescue in cases not otherwise provided for. 266. Violation of condition of remission of punishment. 267. Intentional insult or interruption to public servant sitting in judicial proceeding. 268. Personation of assessor. 269. Failure by person released on bail bond or bond to appear in court. Chapter 15. Of offences affecting the public health, safety, convenience, decency and morals. 270. Public nuisance. 271. Negligent act likely to spread infection of disease dangerous to life. 272. Malignant act likely to spread infection of disease dangerous to life. 273. Disobedience to quarantine rule. 274. Adulteration of food or drink intended for sale. 275. Sale of noxious food or drink. 276. Adulteration of drugs. 277. Sale of adulterated drugs. 278. Sale of drug as a different drug or preparation. 279. Fouling water of public spring or reservoir. 280. Making atmosphere noxious to health. 281. Rash driving or riding on a public way. 282. Rash navigation of vessel. 283. Exhibition of false light, mark or buoy. 284. Conveying person by water for hire in unsafe or overloaded vessel. 285. Danger or obstruction in public way or line of navigation. 286. Negligent conduct with respect to poisonous substance. 287. Negligent conduct with respect to fire or combustible matter. 288. Negligent conduct with respect to explosive substance. 289. Negligent conduct with respect to machinery. 290. Negligent conduct with respect to pulling down, repairing or constructing building. 291. Negligent conduct with respect to animal. 292. Punishment for public nuisance in cases not otherwise provided for. 293. Continence of nuisance after injunction to discontinue. 294 sale etc. of obscene books etc. 295 sale etc. of obscene objects to child. 296 obscene acts and songs. 297 keeping lottery office. Chapter 16 of offences relating to religion. 298 injuring or defiling place of worship with intent to insult religion of any class. 299 deliberate and malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings of any class by insulting its religion or religious belief. 300 disturbing religious assembly. 301 trespassing on burial places etc. 302 uttering words etc. with deliberate intent to wound religious feelings of any person. Chapter 17 of offences against property. 303 theft. 304 snatching. 305 theft in dwelling house or means of transportation or place of worship etc. 306 theft by clerk or servant of property in possession of master. 307 theft after preparation made for causing death, hurt or restraint in order to committing of theft. 308 extortion. 309 robbery. 310 dacoity. 311 robbery or dacoity with attempt to cause death or grievous hurt. 312 attempt to commit robbery or dacoity when armed with deadly weapon. 313 punishment for belonging to gang of robbers etc. 314 dishonest misappropriation of property. 315 dishonest misappropriation of property possessed by deceased person at the time of his death. 316 criminal breach of trust. 317 stolen property. 318 cheating. 319 cheating by personation. 320 dishonest or fraudulent removal or concealment of property to prevent distribution among creditors. 321 dishonestly or fraudulently preventing debt being available for creditors. 322 dishonest or fraudulent execution of deed of transfer containing false statement of consideration. 323 dishonest or fraudulent removal or concealment of property. 324 mischief. 325 mischief by killing or maiming animal. 326 mischief by injury, inundation, fire or explosive substance etc. 327 mischief with intent to destroy or make unsafe a rail, aircraft, decked vessel or one of 20 tons burden. 328 punishment for intentionally running vessel aground or ashore with intent to commit theft etc. 329 criminal trespass and house trespass. 330 house trespass and housebreaking. 331 punishment for house trespass or housebreaking. 332 house trespass in order to commit offense. 333 house trespass after preparation for hurt, assault or wrongful restraint. 334 dishonestly breaking open receptacle containing property. Chapter 18 of offences relating to documents and to property marks. 335 making a false document. 336 forgery. 337 forgery of record of court or of public register etc. 338 forgery of valuable security will etc. 339 having possession of documents described in section 337 or section 338 knowing it to be forged and intending to use it as genuine. 340 forged document or electronic record and using it as genuine. 341 making or possessing counterfeit seal etc. with intent to commit forgery punishable under Section 338, Section 342, counterfeiting device or mark used for authenticating documents prescribed in Section 338 or possessing counterfeit marked material. 343, fraudulent cancellation, destruction, etc. of will, authority to adopt or valuable security. 344 falsification of accounts. 345 property mark. 346 tampering with property mark with intent to cause injury. 347 counterfeiting a property mark. 348 making or possession of any instrument for counterfeiting a property mark. 349 selling goods marked with a counterfeit property mark. 350 making a false mark upon receptacle containing goods. Chapter 19 of criminal intimidation, insult, annoyance, defamation, etc. 351 criminal intimidation. 352 intentional insult with intent to provoke breach of peace. 353 statements conducing to public mischief. 354 act caused by inducing person to believe that he will be rendered an object of divine displeasure. 355 misconduct in public by a drunken person. 356 defamation. 357 breach of contract to attend on and supply wants of helpless persons. Chapter 20 repeal and savings. 358 repeal and savings. So friends, this was all about the index of the भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023. So जैसा कि मैंने आपको अपनी पिछली वीडियोस में भी कहा है, अगेन आई एम सजेस्टिंग कि आप मेरे जुडिशरी प्रिपरेशन टिप के वीडियो को जरूर देखें अगर आपने नहीं देखा है. सिंस इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट, इंडियन पिनल कोड, क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड के जो ये नए बेर एक्ट्स इंट्रोड्यूस किए गए हैं, सेक्शन नंबर्स आगे पीछे हो गए हैं, उसके कारण इंडेक्स की इंपॉर्टेंस और भी ज्यादा बढ़ गई है. तो जो इनके सेक्शन नंबर्स हैं, ये आप मान के चलिए कि आपके एग्जाम में सेक्शंस पे पर्टिकुलरली कि किस सेक्शन का क्या नंबर है, उस पे क्वेश्चंस आपको बहुत ज्यादा दिखेंगे. सो प्लीज कीप फॉलोइंग माय वीडियोस एंड कीप वॉचिंग देम. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.